everyone, Sarah here today with another layout with the Adventure Awaits kit from Mercy Tiara Kit Club. And I'm kind of doing a grid layout. I guess it's not kind of. I'm doing a grid layout. I know that I wanted a white background, but I wanted a frame around it. So you see that I had pulled one already and sat it kind of behind my layout, the white background at least. And I'm going through and I'm pulling papers from both the main kit and then the travel add-on. And I just kind of looked at my pictures, what I had down there, and kind of marked it with my finger where I thought how big I really wanted this square. And I'm going to rough up my edges and make a mess on my desk when I do this too. That's one thing that always drives me nuts about it, but it's okay. I can wipe my desk off. And please forgive me, my lighting is not great. I am having to figure out all of this again. New setup, new space, and everything else. So it's going to be a little trial and error, I guess. So yeah. But here I wanted to use this paper, but I did not want to lose all of it in case I decided I wanted to use this as a mat for another layout. So I went ahead and gutted this one and used part of the centerpiece to go on this layout. And I wanted this on top of the yellow. And I did want the yellow on this layout. I know the pictures are in black and white, but this is my girls at the beach for the first time. They are playing in the ocean and having a blast. My youngest was posing for a picture and thought that her sister was still just looking out at the dolphins and the fish. And as you see in the bottom right-hand corner, that's where she thought her sister was. And then in the other pictures, her sister is creeping up behind her while I'm steadily taking pictures. So yeah, I wanted to document these. They were being goofy. They were having a blast. They love the ocean. So it was just bright and sunshiny and everything. I know there's clouds in the sky there, but the sun was setting. But I wanted to have bright, happy colors because that's all this made me think of. So I went ahead and put that yellow there and then the one with the little geo tags. And I cut a bunch of pieces from the cut apart papers from the 6x8 paper pad and from some of the 12x12 sheets of paper. And added them here and there, more on the left hand and right hand upper and left hand bottom so far, right as of right now. I thought I might use that remember this. I end up pulling that off. I am going to go through a bunch of the ephemera and kind of pull things out to the side that I think I might use. And that just kind of makes it to where, okay, this is what I might use on the layout. So I can just pull from these because I think they match best. So I'm going to go ahead and do that. The pink down on the bottom, I wanted to mirror it up on the right. And then I thought it would be cute to put a frame around that photo of the girls when they were, before my other daughter started stalking her sister. And then I added the other edge of that cut apart 4x6 card or 3x4 card, that I cut out of one of the cut aparts. I added that to the bottom left. That way I could have more of that color on there as well. It's also the color that's on the very back part that I'm going to mat this layout with. And then I added some more tags down there. Well, one more tag down there. And I'm just going through trying to figure out what I want to do with this empty square, this empty space down there below and beside my photos. And I decide I'm going to actually cut that 3x4 card out right there. It says my trip itinerary. I do not use it for that. Not at all. I'm going to grab some ephemera and stuff and I am just going to decorate with it. So here, that's what I am going through. I love these foam stickers that came in the travel add-on. I had a bit of a hard time trying to figure out which one I was going to use. I almost did my own title, but decided against it. I wanted a little bit of gold left on there. So I used I'm on vacation. And then from the 12x12 sticker sheet that we get, I used the Love This Place because my girls loved this. I also I cut a small piece of the scallop border that you get on these 12x12 sticker sheets, and I added it under my I'm on vacation. I added a little water bottle and a camera over to the right behind the photo I had put the frame on. And then I added one of the little tabs that you get on the 12 by 12. I don't know why I keep saying 6. The 12 by 12 sticker sheets up top. And here I'm just adhering everything to the yellow piece that I am putting on the layout. Here I'm going to go ahead and glue the frame down. At the moment, I was looking for my glue because I had lost it. Like I said, new setup, trying to find things. It's so fun. But, you know, I get to figure out things that work better for me or work better in this, you know, this area. So that works for me. I will figure it out eventually. I'm adhering everything down here. I'm going to add some 3D foam behind this section and pop it up so that there is some more dimension over here. I know that I have some of the foam stickers over on the left-hand side, so I figured, why not? So that's what I'm doing here. I'm just going to go ahead and adhere all of it down. I popped that photo up as well. Honestly, this was just the funniest thing for me. One of my daughters usually does not like water at all. And I think I said this the last time. I've got a lot of pictures from vacation. And so I think I said this in the last video. One of my daughters really just used to hate water, but oh my gosh, this child did not get out of the ocean once she got in until it was time to go. So I thought that was awesome, and she'd stay up to her shoulders if she could, or she went out a lot further, but when the dolphins and stuff started coming around and the schools of fish we did move back a little bit, but it was just so awesome. Anyways, I went ahead and gutted that piece of paper so I have it for later if I would like to use it. I am roughing up the edges. I did use my distress tool, but I wanted to bend some of them in and everything. Man, this cardstock is sturdy. I have to say that because I hurt one of my fingernails with it. I also pulled out one of my microns and decided to go ahead and draw some messy lines around the edge. I didn't really do it on anything else, but I just liked the way it looked. I went ahead and pulled out the Prima Marketing metallic watercolor set. A couple months ago, you could get it in one of the kits. It was awesome. I love this thing. I've been using it forever. But I went ahead and used the black and the gold and splattered on the background, which really doesn't matter because a lot of this is not seen afterwards. But I just wanted something else on the background instead of just the stark white. And I'm going to go ahead and adhere this down. And when I do, I see a little spot on the bottom of my page and I wiped it and it smeared. And I'm like, hey, I wanted to add another cluster anyways, so no big deal. So I went back to the 12 by 12 sticker sheet and started pulling some pieces from it. This one says go. And then this little one says here and there. So go here and there. I added that little arrow. I added another camera. I'm going to pull a couple more of the little word pieces like that, the little word stickers. The top one says enjoying the view and the other one says that was awesome. They were things that completely went with this. I loved it. And then here for the last thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to grab some of the sequins and I'm going to sprinkle them around my layout. I will not make you watch me put all of them down, but I'm going to sprinkle them around and then I'm going to grab my little sticky thing. Yep, I don't know what it's called. But I'm going to start sticking those down and that will pretty much finish out this layout, I believe. I could be wrong. Nope, that finishes out this layout. I really hope that you enjoyed this layout. Please make sure to like and subscribe if you did. Make sure to check out the Mercy Tiara Facebook group as well. We'd love to have you come and join in and play along with anything that goes on there, like the sketch challenge and stuff. So have a great day. Bye.